Sometimes you might need to do some research on LinkedIn. Maybe check out a hiring manager's profile before the interview. Learn more about your boss, your client, or spy on your competitor. LinkedIn offers you a way to do this without letting anyone know it's you. My name is Steve Bruce, and I'm a Hong Kong-based independent LinkedIn trainer and coach. I help senior executives, business owners, and corporate teams to present themselves powerfully on LinkedIn. At workshop number 5 in my bite-sized LinkedIn series, you'll learn the LinkedIn setting you need to adjust to become invisible, why you need to remember to change it back afterwards, why you should not feel scared if someone views you anonymously, and the fun you can have letting your competition know you're spying on them. To learn more, get in touch with me at stevebruce@sbconsulting.com.hk. I'm looking forward to helping you soon.